Rob here from Media. In this video, we're going to be looking at the accordion element in Elementor, so stay tuned. At Media, we help companies to grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks, and marketing techniques. From websites to online marketing, automated sales funnels, social media, and much more. We're always releasing new content on our YouTube channel, so make sure you click the like, subscribe, and notification button to make sure that you don't miss out. Just before we get going, I want to tell you about an exclusive offer we have on at the moment. We're giving away free access to our paid Hub platform to the first 50 people that click the link in the description. We're going to be putting this link in the description of all of our videos, so make sure that you get in there as quick as you can. Within Hub we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on how to build a website using Elementor. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click the link in the description. Let's get on with the video.
Hello, in this video we're going to be talking about the accordion element in Elementor. Before we begin then, I've got a page layout of Elementor full width. I've got one section here with one column in, and I've changed the background color of the section to blue. To get back to our elements then, we just need to click the grid here. To find our accordion element then, we're going to search in this search widget for accordion. And we're going to drag the element into the column. This is our default accordion. I'm going to leave it with the two tabs here, but let me just show you how we add some more. So we can click add item if we wanted to. We could also duplicate. And if we don't want one of these tabs, then we can also delete. So first of all, the accordion works a lot like other list items in Elementor. You might be familiar with them with other elements. All you have to do is open them up by clicking and then change the content to whatever you want. So you've got the title and description here, which I'm going to change to web design. I'm going to leave this default text. You've got a lot of word processing tools here that you might be familiar with, so use those. You can add media if you like. So let's add an image to the bottom here. We're going to add web design image, insert into post like so. We can close that, go to the second tab, web development. Again, let's add an image underneath. We'll go with this laptop here, insert into post, and we'll leave that as it is. Next then, we've got our icon. So we can choose to have no icon if we wanted to. We can upload our own SVG, or we can use the icon library that we have. So here are the recommended ones that it suggests. I'm going to use this chevron here, and I'm just going to insert. And then we can see that the icon is a chevron. This is our active icon, so it's different, and we can change this again if we wanted to. We can use the same settings, so we can have none. We can upload our own SVG, and again we can go through the icon library. Then we've got the HTML tag for the title, and currently it's set on div. I'm going to leave it this way, but if you wanted these to be more important headers, you could select H2, H3, H4. So that's it when it comes to the content of an accordion. I'm going to pause for a moment so you can add your own in, add as many accordion items as you like, and then we'll come back to this and we'll style. So let's go to style. Top left, and our first options are the accordion itself. We've got the border width. At we like a nice thick border, so I'm going to go with 5. And the border colour I want to be white. Onto the title, we've got the background. I'm going to change this to the green. Then we've got the colour of the title. I'm going to have as white. The active colour, which is the tab that we're on. So currently we're on web design. We could have any colour we like. We could have blue, orange if we like. I'm going to stick with the orange and close that. Then the typography we can change, and I'm going to use Amatic SC. I'm going to make it a little bit larger so you can see it. I'm going to leave the weight as it is. Then we've got padding. I like the default as it is, but just to show you how it works, we can input any number we like here. We can unlink the values, and we could have separate padding on the left, for example, maybe on the right. But I'm going to go with what we had in the default. So I'm going to link them back up, remove the numbers, and go to the default. Onto the icon then. We've got alignment, so we could put it on the right if we like, and I'm going to go with that. Then we've got the colour. Currently this takes on the same colours as the title, but we could have this completely separate if we want. We could have a different colour, we could have it white if we wanted to, we could have it purple. I'm going to go with purple for now. And then we've got the active colour, which we could have completely different again. And I'm just going to leave it on the orange. Lastly then, for the icon, we've got the spacing. Now this isn't going to show for a moment because it's not next to our words, but if I had this on the start alignment, then we could see this is the spacing between the icon and the words. Let's put that back to end. Now we'll go to content. We can change the background colour. I'm going to go with the green again. However, I'm just going to slightly darken it so we know we're inside the tab. There we go. Now we've got the colour of the text. I'm going to leave on white, and the typography, which I'm going to go with Josephine Sands. I'm going to leave the font size, but I'm going to change the weight to 300. Lastly, we have the padding. Again, the default's quite nice, but we can have this at whatever we like. I'll remove that and go with the default. Let's just check our work then. So I can click this tab here. We can click on our accordion and we can see how that flicks through the two. Let's open the tab back up, and because we're happy with that, we're going to click the green update button, and we will see you in the next video.